Our journey starts with on 18 Jan when I met through Megla through Shadi.com, and we thought of meeting each other in a mall, and then we started liking each other, and then the journey continues.
So we liked each other in the first date, not a date actually, but yeah, kind of. And then after that, before lockdown, my parents came and this marriage was set up.
But the COVID comes in between, and that separates us into a long distance relationship. And we used to connect every day through calls, and all our courtship went through this long distance relationship only. Finally, after this 1 year of journey, we are finally married now, and we are the lovely couples. I was always too much excited about this marriage, and I planned my marriage from the 1 year ago only, how it will be conducted, how the whole setup should be done, what are the surprises to be given to my better half.
And to continue this, I would say that you complete me and you're shining like a diamond in my eyes.
সকল অভিযোগে তুমি, তোমার মিষ্টি হাসিটা কি আমি, আমার না বলা কথার ভাজে, তোমার গানের কত সুর ভাসে।